joining me once again. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to use the black soap. This is the African black soap and it is 100% natural. So I'm going to be showing you how to use the African black soap with other ingredients such as the Moringa Powder, and other essential ingredients to make your shampoo in the comfort of your home. Just imagine you making your own shampoo. So making your own shampoo is just like cooking your own food because you are sure of the ingredients that goes in there. So that's why I'm super excited about this and I'm ready to show you guys how to use the African black soap Moringa to make a shampoo for your hair. You can see how my hair is still very shiny. It's because I am obsessed with natural ingredients, especially that of the moringa. If you check my channel, you will see that I have a lot of videos that has to do with moringa. So if you really want to see what this my ingredient is and are, kindly keep watching. But before we go there, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do well to click the red subscribe button and the bell that is just right beside it. That way you will always be notified anytime I post a new videos like this one in this channel, because I upload new videos daily. So without taking so much of your time, why not come with me? Let me show you how you could use these two ingredients and make a shampoo. How cool is that? So let's go. The African black soap is all natural and has a lot of benefit when it comes to the African hair. It contains a lot of helpful nutrients such as vitamin A and vitamin E, which helps in maintaining a healthy hair. African black soap is full of vitamins and minerals that your hair follicles can use to make your hair thicker and longer. It also helps define curls pattern, softens hair, cleans the scalps, and also increase hair growth. Using the African black soap on your hair will help improve the overall health of your scalp. Onions are rich in antibacterial and antifungal properties. The use of onion for your hair will truly help keep hair loss at bay. They are very good at maintaining hair follicle nourishment and help restore loss of nutrient to your scalp. They are rich in sulfur, which is known to minimize breakage and thinning. They have potent antibacterial properties and help fight infections of the scalp. This in turn helps reduce hair fall, as scalp infection can cause massive hair loss. Next is the moringa. The moringa is an all-round plant. It is called the miracle plant because of the numerous nutrients this particular plant has, because every part of moringa is actually very useful, from the seeds to the roots and to the leaf. So what I have here is actually a grounded moringa leaves, and it's actually very good when it comes to maintaining a healthy hair, skin, and even health, because it contains a good amount of zinc that will help restore the health of your hair. If you want to know more about the benefits of moringa, please kindly check my other videos. I have soaked my moringa powder in warm water. If you can look at it very well, it's already beginning to separate. So I'm just gonna leave it for a few more minutes before I sieve this out. So what I'm going to do to the onion is that I'm going to wash this off, take the back out, and I'm going to blend it, and later I'm going to sieve the juice out. And for my African black soap, I'm going to cut them into tiny pieces using the back of an old knife. I'm not going to be using all of it, so this is just enough. After chopping it, I'm going to be mixing it with 1 cup of warm water. It's going to help melt the African black soap. So after doing that, I'm going to gently crush it, mix it up with my spoon to ensure that there is no lumps in it. This process can actually take longer, so I'm just going to give it some time for it to properly melt. Then I'm gonna go ahead and mix the other ingredients. I'm going to be pouring in my onion juice inside the black soap. Adding the onion juice, I'm going to stir it very well. Next thing I'm going to do is to filter my moringa water that I'll be mixing to this. Okay, so you see, when you mix the moringa with the warm water, it actually separates quicker and faster. So I'm going to be adding this to the soup. You're going to be making more quantities. You're actually going to increase the quantities of everything that I've added. So after making this, you could see I still have a lump of this, so I'm going to leave this overnight. By the time I open this in the morning, all this will be completely melt off, and I'm going to filter it out because the African black soap has sand in it. You can see there's a huge sand, so there's a need for you to melt it and filter it before you use it for your hair. Okay, so this is the black soap shampoo that I mixed earlier. I actually left it for over 2 days and it's still okay. So what I'm going to do is that I'm actually going to filter this because the black soap most time has sand in it, so it is necessary for you to strain it off the sand. So I'm going to be using my strainer to strain it. You see? Can you see what I told you? So you could actually strain it with leaf cloth so that you could actually get all the smaller particles of it. I think I forgot to mention honey when I was making this. It is necessary. I like adding on honey to my own. You can skip this as well, but for me, my hair loves honey, so I'm just adding 1 tablespoon of the honey to it and turn it. And I also have here the tea tree oil. I don't know, can you see? Is it focusing? Okay, so I'm going to be adding a few drops of my tea tree oil because tea tree oil is very good for the hair. So by the time I'm washing my hair with this, it's not going to have that drying effect. So mix everything very well. After that, I'm going to be transferring it into this plastic water bottle. Watching this video up till this point, and I hope that you actually learned a lot when it comes to using the African black soap and the moringa and other ingredients that I actually showed you when we were actually in my workshop on how to make a shampoo. Please endeavor to make this at home. Living outside Nigeria, you could actually order your moringa on Amazon or on Target or any African shop. I don't have the link on my channel, but I'm going to be getting the link anytime soon. But if you are in Nigeria and you need the African black soap, you could actually get the African black soap in the market. If you are watching my video from Abuja, where I'm filming from, and you're looking for a place to get the African black soap, kindly let me know in the comment section down below, and I'm going to assist you get the African black soap and the Moringa powder. If you can't have access to the raw African black soap like this, you could actually use any black soap that you have to mix it, and all what you're going to have is your shampoo. And after washing your hair with this shampoo, you're so going to love your hair, the way your hair is going to look, because this process is actually 100% natural. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel at this point, please click the red subscribe button and the bell that is just right beside it. And do not forget to like this video and also comment if you feel that there are issues that I did not address in the course of recording this video. Please kindly come to my comment section, because that is where I live, and I'm going to attend to your question extensively. And if you have other videos, ideas that you want me to do for you in this channel, to demonstrate and show you in this channel, please also drop that in the comment section, and I'll be doing that just for you. So until another time when I come your way, my name is ID Francis. Bye.